I'm Marissa Voorhees. I'm a caterer, party planner, personal chef, and holistic health coach. Get nourished with catering by Marissa's Kitchen. So today we are making a carrot juice and kiwi smoothie. Now usually when people think smoothies, they think, you know, it's going to be a little bit thicker, probably have a bit of a milky base to it. But this one I'm going a little bit different. When you put kiwis and carrot juice together, it lets you play a little bit differently with the flavors. So this one's going to be very light and very fresh. And very refreshing. This would be a great thing to have if it's a hot summer day or when you come in from a run or whatnot. So carrot juice can be an acquired taste, but we are going to do half a cup of carrot juice, half a cup of coconut water, half a cup of ice. Now generally I try and avoid ice in my smoothies, but with a smoothie like this, ice is a really good way to go. A trick of mine is sorbet. So we're going to do lemon sorbet in this to give it a little bit of a nice flavor and a little more of that iciness that we love in smoothies. And I love to buy the single servings. That's why I only eat a single serving if it's sitting in my freezer, but a single serving is a perfect size to put into a smoothie when you're making smoothies. We're going to do 2 kiwis and some fresh mint, about 5 mint leaves. A little mint goes a long way, but in this it'll be nice and fresh. So I have a favorite trick for getting kiwi out, and that's to cut off each end, take a spoon, and when you slide the spoon under the skin, you're able to go right around the kiwi, and the kiwi comes out quite nicely. And you have yourself a nice clean kiwi ready to go in your smoothie. So 2 kiwis go in that way, and then along with mint, ice, and the others, we make ourselves a delicious smoothie. So we'll do carrot juice, ice, 5 mint leaves, so in goes our single serving of lemon sorbet, and not to forget our final kiwi. Give it all a good whir. So once you have it all nice and blended together, in it goes into your cup, and you have yourself a very nice, fresh, light summertime smoothie. Enjoy. I'm Marissa Voorhees, the food sensitive foodie. I hope you make sure you nourish, love, and celebrate today.